How to change chat theme on YouTube Livestream. Changing the chat theme on YouTube livestreams enhances visual appeal, matches branding, and creates a more engaging viewer experience. Now, if you're going to go ahead and add your own YouTube chat theme, now here is how you're going to do it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and find some widgets here. So we're going to click the scene. Now, the widgets that we are looking for is something that has involved with chat box. For example, this one here. You can see that if I were to click this one, click the widgets here at the top, you will see that we also have here chat box. Now, this is a chat box that is already customized, as you can see. So basically, if you're going to install this one, you should be able to see this kind of chat box instead of the one that you have here, which is kind of boring already. Now click install widget theme. That's how you're going to do it, and then you will be able to see it in here. There you go, that's a chat, right? Now you can go ahead and make this a bit bigger. Yep, that's one. Now if you want to add something else, you can definitely do that. Just go ahead and delete this one, go back here to the scene. Now we're going to go ahead and look for something else. Now this is one thing to remember, not all the themes available here has its own chat box widgets or theme. So if I were to click this one, for example, it only has an alert box. Now we're going to go back and we're just going to go ahead and keep on looking for something that we like. So for example, we have here glow. Alright, I'm going to click this one. Click the widgets here, and we're going to look for chat box. So I think this chat box is actually pretty nice. Now if I were to install this one, I can just go ahead and click this one here. Alright, just like so. Now you can go ahead and adjust this one or put this wherever you want. Now for example, I'm going to go to this here, this sample scene in here. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and put that here. So click this one here. We're going to look for our chat box. Alright, this one. I believe this is the one that we had. Now all that's left for us to do is basically to align this one or to adjust this. Alright, now we're going to put it there, and we're going to click Alt, and there you go. So now it is in here. Now the next thing that you're going to do is basically to just connect YouTube to this one. So hopefully you will be able to do that with this tutorial. So yep, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to do it. Now you know how to change your chat theme on YouTube Livestream. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.